Okay, today I'm going to make a device so that I can hang my camera up overhead and take pictures. Right now I'm using my tripod. The tripod's sitting right over there. I'm pointing to it and taking a picture of this apple on the counter. But I want to make a stand so that I can put the camera, this is another camera that I use sometimes, and I want to be able to put it up in the air and take pictures directly overhead. And I'm making a little video right now of this apple directly overhead. Okay, I want to make it where it'll be about 2 foot high, so I can get good clear shots of about a 2 foot wide area. So I'm going to use some recycled PVC pipe to make this. So give me just a few minutes to get started here, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back. I went out to my building and I gathered up some old pieces of PVC pipe I had from a project that I made several years ago. And if the camera will show this, this is dated 2007, February 16th. That's when it was manufactured. And I remember buying this for a project back then. And I only had to use the project for like a week. But had plenty of extra PVC pipe left over. Now you can take your PVC pipe, you can cut it with a hacksaw. That's how this was cut. But you'll get some rough edges on it. But I since have bought a PVC pipe cutter, I'm going to be using 3/4 inch PVC. Well, I'll get another piece to show you. Okay, 3/4 inch PVC, schedule 40. I've already got this piece marked. This is going to make a very inexpensive overhead camera mount. Okay. And these PVC cutters just makes it so easy. Just cut it off, get a nice smooth edge. You don't have to do anything else to it. To get it started, I'm going to make 2 pieces 20 inches long. And I figure this is going to work good for what I use it for. You know, you can make it a little longer or you can make it a little shorter. Okay, on my PVC pipe I was telling you, I bought this many years ago, and the fittings that I had put it together with, I still have plenty of extra fittings. The only thing that I had to go buy for this project, I went over to Ace Hardware just a few minutes ago, and I bought 3 of these little end caps, and these will go on the end to seal it up. Okay. And the way I'm going to get this started, I'm going to take a T, put the pipe in one end, then I'm going to take another pipe, put it on the other side. This will be my back piece of my camera stand. On this end, I'm going to put a 90-degree fitting. I'm not going to glue them on there right now until I see if it's going to work good. If it works good, then I will glue everything together. Okay? And when I put it together, I want this piece here to be standing straight up. Okay? My next piece that I'm going to cut, I need to cut this 18 inches long, and I'm going to need 2 of these 18 inches long. Mark off there. show you the legs that's going to support it, keep it from tipping over. Okay. And the look, end caps that I purchased this morning, these were 53 cents a piece over at Ace Hardware. They're just going to go on the end here, just to keep it sealed up. So that's those two there. And the way I'm making this is going to slide up against my counter like that, if you can see the end out there, and the other leg's on this end over here. Okay? And the way this is going to work now, I'm going to have a piece that's going to come straight up and then come over. Let me adjust the camera up just a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to have a piece right here that's going to come up and then it's going to come out, and the camera's going to hang right here on front of it. So let me go ahead and get that piece there cut. I'm estimating that I'm going to need about 24 inches on this piece. Well, tape measure don't like to stay on that round PVC pipe too good. Okay, and this piece will go right here. Okay, that's going to bring it up. Then I'm going to have a 90-degree fitting that's going to go on the end of it. Tilt the camera up so you can see the top of it. I still didn't get it high enough to... Okay, a 90-degree fitting goes here. I'm going to cut a short piece to come out this way. I think about 10 inches long is going to be long enough to put it about in the center of my view. So let me get a 10-inch piece here cut. Okay, this section go here. Okay, now I'm going to have another 90-degree fitting to turn down. Now I need a piece maybe just about 2 inches long. I'm not even going to measure it, I'm just going to cut me a little short piece here. This short piece is going to go right here, and then I'll put the end cap on the very end of it. Okay, let me go get my mount for my camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now this is the mount that I'm going to put on the PVC, and this is just a bicycle handlebar mount. It has a little rubber insert that goes in to keep it from turning, but the PVC pipe is too big for this, so I'm going to take that rubber piece out. And get that pretty tight so it won't be turning. Okay, my camera. Okay, I've got the camera on there, get everything tight so it won't be sliding around. Okay, okay, there we have it. And it is adjustable. Using the mount there, I'm going to put the little handle back there. You can tilt it downward at a different angle if I need to record at a different angle, or I can tilt it upward. But for right now, I'm going to put it right there pretty much flush and straight. Turn the camera on. Okay, got it adjusted where it's in the center. And I can make a video recording right there, and I'll be able to work, and it gives me an overhead shot without having to move my tripod all over the place. This is just a very inexpensive little setup. Let me get my camera over here and show it to you better.
I'm just doing a quick video to see if our camera mount is working.
Okay, so here's what I've got. Just got the two legs on each end. The T in the middle, the piece coming up 24 inches. And a little piece coming across the top with the camera mounted here on the end. And it gives me the overhead shots that you can see in the video. So this is a very inexpensive way to make an overhead camera mount. If you need your camera to be a little bit higher, just take this piece here in the middle and make it a little bit longer, and you can raise it up as much as you need to. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. I hope this will help someone out. It helped me make a camera mount for using recycled parts. I spent $1.59 plus tax on it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you will, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.